exercise 8.1, question number 5, third part we are going to prove now. Question is tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So first we have to take the LHS and convert tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. So LHS we can take, tan we can write it in the form of sin and cos, that is sin theta by cos theta all divided by 1 minus cot theta also we can convert it into cos and sin, so cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta again we can convert it into cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now here one fraction is there in the numerator and denominator is another one expression. So first we have to simplify the denominator. When we are simplifying the denominator, we have to take the LCM. LCM is sin theta here. 1 and sin theta are the denominators. When you are taking LCM, you will get sin theta is the LCM. For making the denominator same, you have to multiply here sin theta, here sin theta. So numerator we can write as it is, sin theta by cos theta all divided by 1. The denominator 1 we have to convert it into sin theta. So you should multiply sin theta both numerator and denominator. So what will happen in the numerator? Numerator sin theta minus cos theta. Here sin theta is there, divided by sin theta plus same way you have to do the next expression also, cos theta by sin theta all divided by denominator is 1. So bring it into a same denominator. So cos theta you have to multiply here. So cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So we can see here is one fraction and another fraction here. A fraction divided by another fraction, what you have to do? Take the reciprocal and multiply. So we can take the reciprocal and multiply. So when we are taking the reciprocal, sin theta by cos theta, numerator you have to write as it is. So sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Next expression also you have to do the same. Fraction by another fraction. So numerator you should write as it is, cos theta by sin theta into cos theta, taking the reciprocal, cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Now we can simplify. Sin theta into sin theta is what? Sin square theta. That is what? Sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. We can write as it is, sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta is what? Cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus theta. We can write as it is, sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now here you see sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta minus sin theta. So now again we have to do simplification. When we are doing the simplification, we should take the LCM. If we want to take the LCM, here you see cos theta minus sin theta minus. The terms are same but the signs are different. So you have to bring the sign, how to make the sign of terms same. Here if you take a minus sign outside, then we can see minus cos theta and plus sin theta will come. Here you see minus cos theta and plus sin theta. So we can take a minus sign outside here. So the next step will be sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta we can write as it is. Then this plus sign I am going to change into minus sign, because from here I am going to take a minus sign outside. From this expression I am going to take one minus sign outside. If you are taking one minus sign outside, here it will become minus and this will become what? Minus, and this will become plus. So that minus sign I am going to take here. Okay. So cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. In the place of cos theta we can write sin theta. In the place of sin theta minus cos theta. So we change the sign. For this purpose, listen here, this part only we are making. Cos theta minus sin theta we converted into sin theta minus cos theta by taking a minus sign outside. So the minus sign will come here in the plus side, place of plus sign we are converting that into minus sign. Now it is easy for us to take the LCM. So when we are taking the LCM, I will take the LCM this side. So when we take the LCM, the denominator is cos theta into sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta minus cos theta is common, and cos theta into sin theta also will come. So we can write the denominator cos theta into sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, if this is the LCM, what will happen to the first fraction denominator? See, in the place of LCM, we have cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Along with that, what also there? Sin theta also there. So here one more sin theta will come. If one sin theta, if you want to make here, then here also you should make a sin theta. So sin square theta into sin theta is what? Sin cube theta. Then we will get the denominator same, no? Now minus, same way here you see sin theta is there, sin theta minus cos theta is there. Now what is not there? Cos theta is not there. So if you multiply by cos theta here also you should multiply by cos theta. Okay. So cos square theta into cos theta will become what? Cos cube theta. So simplification over, LCM over. Now what we can do now? Identity application we have to do. Identity is a cube minus b cube. So what is the identity? A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square minus plus ab plus b square. This is the identity. Now we can apply that. A is sin and b is cos. So a cube minus b cube, a minus b, that is sin theta minus cos theta into a square, that is sin square theta plus ab, sin theta cos theta plus b square, cos square theta. Now next one, divided by cos theta sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. We can see sin theta minus cos theta in both numerator and denominator. That expression is there, so we cancel that. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? Identity application. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin cos theta sin theta. I will write it as sin theta cos theta. This implies 1 by sin theta cos theta. We can split these two. 1 plus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So this will get cancelled. That is 1 by sin theta cos theta. 1 by sin theta is what? Cosec theta. 1 by cos theta sec theta. Plus sin theta by cos theta by sin theta. Sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta is 1. Hence proved. So we are getting here 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Here 1 cosec theta sec theta plus 1. Both are same only. We have to write it as what is given in the RHS. You can write, that is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. That is RHS. we can write it in the right hand side. That is right hand side what is given there, that you have to write it.